Step 24. Wiring of the oil reservoir. Prepare the necessary materials. 1 oil tube and 2 air tubes inside the drag chain. Pass them through the black fixing device into the air chamber. Connect the transparent white oxygen tube to the upper oxygen gauge. Connect the milky white rigid tube to the lower nitrogen gauge. Connect the oil tube to the oil reservoir on the right side. The pipe of the air valve comes in through the middle interface. Connect them according to the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and colors as indicated. Open the oil reservoir cover. Connect the power cable and signal cable to the inside of the oil reservoir. Connect them as shown in the diagram. Install the oil reservoir cover. Connect the blue air tube to the air pressure gauge. Connect the transparent hose to the 1.6 megapascals pressure gauge. Connect the white rigid tube to the 4 megapascals pressure gauge. Install the cover sheet metal for the air chamber. Add lubricating oil to the oil reservoir.